a trend out there, and maybe it's not new, but they do a trend where it's called a fit check, where you're checking somebody's outfit to make sure they're up to par with being outside and being alongside with you and going out. So I'm going to do an amended version because I do a lot of growing and gardening. I'm going to do a thing called a squash check because I'm growing a survival garden. So we're going to check how much winter squash we have growing to see how much of a survival garden this actually is. Let's do it. We're doing it. All right, let's go. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. That's five. There we go. That's six. That's six right there. I'm checking. That's seven. Seven right there. That's eight. That's nine. That's 10. That's 11. That's 12. That's 13. Let's walk around here. What we got? What we got? Looking on this side. See if we see anything. Oh, there's one in there. There's one hidden in there. That's 14. Anything on this one? No. I don't see anything. Anything on this? 14 so far. 14 is good. Anything over here? I don't see anything. All right, let's check the front. Now we checking the front yard food forest. Let's do it. Let's see if we got anything out here. Any squash? No, honeydew melon, not squash. Let's check. Nothing on this little guy. Any squash forming on this one? Oh, that looks like a honeydew melon right there. Not squash, that's honeydew melon. Any squash on these little guys? Nope. Hey, my man, you got any squash growing on you? Doesn't look like it, not yet. Too immature. Hey, you guys, you got any squash on it over here? No? 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 Doesn't look like it. Oh, I see one. And that's 15 right there. That's in my front yard food forest. We got 15 butternut squash growing, and they last up to 2 years plus. That's a survival garden on top of my beans and everything else I'm growing, and on top of the squash that I already harvested and produced. Let's do it. Keep it growing, and to inspire other people, show your work.